so do.
Isn't it pretty?
Everything is simple. Do, mi, so, ti.
We're making music.
What is the point? You're not making anything.
Well, if anything, what is the sound so good?
I suppose this is in just do, mi, so, do. The void is substitute for a hypothetical pattern.
Do, mi, so, ti. For satisfaction, bring it to completion.
Sure.
Do, mi, so, ti. Answers without meaning, solutions without problems.
And then you just add words. Here's what I've been working on.
Life and death and love and birth and peace and war on the planet Earth. Is there anything that's worth more than peace and war on the planet Earth? Oh, come on and sing it with me. The words relate to the key. If it's a pattern, just repeat after me.
Death and love and birth. Life and death and love and birth. Now you sing mi, fa, mi, ti, la. And peace and love on the planet Earth.
Yes, that's it.
But that's so easy.
That's what's fun about it. You should write something like the song.
About what?
What are you thinking?
I guess we're already here. I guess we already know. We've got nothing to fear. We've got nowhere to go. I think you're all insane, because I am too. Anybody will be if they were stuck on Earth with you. Yes. Life and death and love and birth and
Life and death and love and birth and
death and love and birth and peace and love on the planet Earth. Is there anything that's worth more? Is there anything that's worth more?
Is there anything that's worth more than peace and love on the planet Earth?
There truly is nothing worth more than peace and love on the planet Earth.
It is every child's right and every child's wish to experience peace in our own family, community, country, and the whole world at large.
Listen to our wish.
Listen to our prayer from the heart.
This is my wish for the world, that peace will find its way
to every
to
boy
every
and
boy
girl.
and girl. This is the time for harmony. Let love be the song that everybody sings. Fill the air with joyful noise, ring the bells and raise your voice. Let there be peace on earth, let there be.
Let the light, let it shine. Shine, shine, shine. Let every voice be heard. Let there be peace on earth.
I hear the sweetest sound, the sound of hope to come.
Together we could bring goodwill to everyone.
Fill the air with joyful noise, ring the bell and raise your voice.
Let there be peace on earth. Let there be peace on
Fill the air with joyful noise, ring the bell and raise your voice. Let there be peace on earth. Let there be peace.
May we find peace in every corner of the world. Find that peace by listening to your heart
And recognizing that we are actually,
one and same.
let there be peace on earth.
Have you ever wondered that all humans are the same? Yeah. 'Cause you and I, we're one and same. One and same. Different colors, dialects differ, born of a woman, we're all the same. Male and female, poor and wealthy, young and aged, we're all the same. One breath, one life, our goal, a better world. One breath, one life, our goal, a better world. I see diverse mindsets, we're all the same. So I wonder why the battles stop the killings. We're all the same, one breath.